we're assembling the Schoolhouse slice card. So I have all of my pieces laid out, and I am going to start here with this back piece. And this red piece, let me get my glue on it. We are going to kind of lay here in the center and just have a border all the way around. You just want to eyeball that, get it as even as you can. And this is just going to line up right to the top. This one you're going to line up here, these two edges. This piece goes right there. It just fits right in like a puzzle. You put together your bell, and then it's going to just go right to the top of this archway. Your school is going to center right on this side. And I think I want to pop it up. And it's going to go, you're just going to see a little piece of this archway with this on. Just kind of center that. There we go. Okay, that's the back. Now, This piece is going to line right up to the top. Put your door together. There we are. Then the accent piece is going to center right there in the top. Okay, now so for this back, I'm going to glue my tabs down. And then fold this. And what I'm doing is making sure I've got it lined up even here with the bottom. And then making sure I hold that in place while I glue my tab. It's not really a tab, it's the slice. Fold that up, and now do and again, you just want to make sure that that's lined up nice and even. I really like closing these ends off on these slice cards. I feel like it helps hold them together a lot better. So then you're going to take your should be a solid white piece, but I cut the wrong one, and glue this onto the back. This gives you a nice big surface for writing a message. That's one of the things I like most about these cards. You have the dimension and you still have space to write, which is a nice bonus. Okay. Then I'm going to slide in this center. Let me get this in before I start talking. Okay, so typically on these pieces, I have your back piece is like one solid piece, and then you have your accent piece for dimension for the top. But in case you wanted different colored apples, I did them all separate. And I did not do like a yellow and green apple. I just did mine all red. So you have to put, if you're covering your tabs like I like to do with this piece here, you have to put this piece on before you put your apples in. I'm going to fold this both ways. Okay. And then you got these three little leaves. So I just need a tiny dot of glue. I'm going to go ahead and put the leaves on first. Okay, so you want to put your cover for to hide these tabs. Go ahead and put that on there. There we are. I think that cleans everything up really nice. I really like that. And now we're going to put our apples on. I am going to use some foam tape on the middle one. And again, the reason these are all separate is like you could do a green and a yellow apple there. I would, if you want to add more color. My fingers are sticking where they shouldn't be. There we go. And there is the school slice card. Thank you so much for joining me.